Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're a complete beginner and want to start using Duolingo, this video will guide you step by step in the simplest way possible. First, you're going to download the Duolingo application and then head over to the Duolingo application. So you're going to sign in with your account and Duolingo will ask you which language you wish to start learning from. So go ahead and select your target language like Spanish, French, or any other available option. Next, you're going to choose your current level. If you're new, just select beginner so Duolingo can start you from basics. Then you're going to set your daily goal. You can choose how many minutes you want to practice each day. If you're just starting, a small goal is perfectly fine. And once everything is set up, you'll land on the main learning screen. This is where your lessons are organized step by step. Start with the first lesson and follow the instructions on your screen. Duolingo will teach you simple exercises like matching words, listening, speaking, and typing. Just focus on understanding and don't worry if you make mistakes. And as you complete your lessons, your XPs will increase. So you got to build your streak and unlock many rewards. Keep going daily to stay consistent and also pay attention to your energy. Each lesson uses energy, so if it gets low, switch to practice mode or wait for it to refill. The best tip for beginners is to stay consistent. Even 10 to 15 minutes every day can help you improve really quickly. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.